McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Beto. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Beto. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Beto. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Adriani Beto. McBrown's kitchen. Every so.
McBrown's kitchen.
Adriani Beto. Every so. Metukano. Medebao. So when you know I'm no DJ okay. I was here for McBrown's kitchen. Edianepa ede. Me de McBrown's kitchen ebrewi na me tro say and na kakra ya hu ye TV sway and na yaba back. Ane and na me gina Ashanti region. Midina kwenya nso ne de amobia happy Mother's Day. So unim se me yi nyina ye celebrate ye ho. Emae nyame shrama said ye daddy lumba kan ye no. Ema ni fu ye jade nyede. Enu ntimi gina mi jade. Me de McBrown's kitchen everywhere. Na ye mama nyina yiko. Na maka tro say this season opportunity season. Inspirational season, motivational episodes, and I'm the Ebrew season. And then many one of the legends in radio. When you come to Kumasi, or your pace setter, just wakwadre. High sense, everyday prices for everyday people. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Faka krebi nenya bebre. Dedo spices. Tasty day inside. And it's a dedo de fufra abba. A dedo pepper. Pepper powder. And also abeka dedo ebusuane ho. Sekwi yade kwankwo bi beto kwanmu a obuafo ne hwan. Eye ampa senya mene ye boafo nenso honamu ye kwa ye bayi wodi bi tu akiri a ebeboa for my way so ye insurance man ho no bi nim da asembeto yen sara na atumidi ye savings eso edema ho dial *165# brabeka yen ho na ye nyina ye mo yen ho ban the GC brand Gandu Cosmetics ehwa enam ye adwuma ane BO16 papa bi eno na mde twimiti ama mitimu ayedu between ni mu ayedu Sarah na wujina jade a cleans hand wash soap, cleans body wash. Me ba chaw eno bi ne de hore yensa wo yoba bema efie bia no matter the category we here cleans hand wash eyi fin efie yensem ye mo vrem eme ho da ho tin me da se me ba chaw launcher kitchen nam de me kan koma no a body jade fe din esimu a wa wo metikosa memre kumase na memfa new edition and a season and famremo. Me say again opportunity season, inspirational season, motivational season. So you see different kind of people as in juma hodua nipa eye ebi mu ha onimomu ebi mu ha onimomu ni nyina ye de beboy abaso ne ahye nkran me da say me gina ha yi berima makeup me wokumasi ona ye me makeup ama me I style me tea and to me shame your Hollantex happy Mother's Day from Hollantex what ai Hollantex na ayeta omate aye na kama simple a ehye me sra wani die mu a ma me ntwa me homra me ba enne me ne Mama Effe and never been no dian. And come bia me da se.
Marshal with my Oba. Oba Patofum. Never so being here, scan. Now, only a scan here. Mama Missus and I come to Musa. My way so fast on the no. Sikefia, Michana Busumiano, a so fast one no. Before my pet, you know, mobile memoir, and it's so be a bomb about you. Maybe dinner, and fast.
I say, I bring me over my way insurance no. What do boost your name up Pabako ever sheso? Mistress of free Munkwadia, ever call more. Now, one now we hear my way insurance, no dear. Ever call more, a bra, oh, ya dear crown crow. Ya dear, and uncle, share a boo bua, we your mushia, any. Impo, Wakodaya, Sabia, Ebronamian. So what the 18, a copy 59, oh, Wapomudia. Who bet to me I become my way with Siano? File phone, net dial is *165#. Oh, empty and so says, Sia. Send you my way, cause no way.
Your tomato mix. Wouldn't so one on pass. Say loud, what tomato flavor no?
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra yan kwani stew. Dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear. It will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick, a little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe.
Tasty Tom, I'm a mania Japan. Presenia and Nino IFFF. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. Send another than if you're it's customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Mommy does it at bath time, at work, and she does it in the kitchen. Why does she do that? Cleans.
Cleans takes care of you so you can take care of the things that matter. Eliminates 99.9% of germs. Stay clean with Cleans. The GC brand. It's all about you.
This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Pedo.
McBrown's Kitchen, Adriani Pedo. McBrown's Kitchen, Emrena so, Annie, Emraso say, Yabba boy and some head, one way in a winning a momosem. So, Doma, men quandia, Nasa Opeso, whom Mama Effe ye, dear. Bowen Sam, Nayaventia, Mama Effe. The whole Ghana Mama Effe, Eba Cope. Oh, Yanche would be a woman.
Thank you.
Arena so Mama Effe one. Every baby, uno. Echo me. Thank you, DJ. Echo me. Mama Effe.
Yes.
Baby, ever two dimbia yawa. Obia dear fair yampa, oh dear. Nanso Mama, no be so dear. Say a share mammy a juma wire or Ghana, and no be near them a coin more. Ye did dinner chin, my middle cloom which ya, ye dear true hay. Mama Effe.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy Mother's Day.
Same to you.
Na, a chadia Effe crab or Sunny and when you are the Ashami.
Amen.
Some Thomas Saffron, now, mammy, one fat. Only per Diana will name the moment more than I saw Baba. Then also Baba Yadis from Kokra, dear mammy. A quaba.
Yeah, Abba.
Wherefore?
What's sir?
Mamma, if you wherefore?
Seven, sir, mammy.
Now it was worry time. Yampno.
Many 65.
Mamma, you don't look like 65.
Labor law, when your sister also call it.
Labor law, sir, radio entertainment, dear Pong. Yampong. The whole Ghana News Entertainment, dear.
Yeah.
Yampong. Mamma, went to me Pong. Labor law, not yet on a labor law, also can consider, say, you man, we are on.
Okay.
Because, hey, Mamma, if you David, what I would need you, what they were, sir.
Okay.
You ever change labor law, won't you? You ever change, you know. Annie. Now, some Mamma, if you open BBA Finch, and would the labor law no so?
My 5 years I come home.
Oh,
and I is 65.
I think I'll point sister, no.
Sister, I force.
And I'm making him all the 5 years.
No, the 5 I come.
And so for 5 come and name Queen and Coupon book 70 years.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but Mamma, if you are you know where you're dear home. Yanka said, dear come. Oh, me.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Eba is Shira FM.
Yeah.
Why are you for how many years? Because that is where we know you.
Me start multimedia. Me start if you Love FM. And me kabom and Love any Shira. Any Adum TV 28 years.
28 years.
Yeah.
One radio station.
Yeah.
One media house.
Yeah.
What a loyalty. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, dear, don't worry, come on, you better diamond I could see one. But in the meantime, Mama, at the end and the obey my because and the one said I'm a man did you be we say the old Yaman Wabwan, intimidated me.
Okay.
Na I am a one so pedia.
Nya would this be I
where is two beer and a pay
Adia. Okay.
And a kai.
Okay.
Yamianim and right. A bedroom must be about to see.
Okay.
And my mom, dear goon, Sumadan by Ren Crack.
Okay.
At the amount. Where surplus guy.
Okay.
And now we're so ye and more.
Adia Chiso.
Annie.
Okay. Many Jehovah.
Now, Simmons, I'm more at a me
vegetables cacra.
We're so number.
Okay.
Until you bending because we're ye anaka.
Mother's Day, a chain. Abata baby. Yan shada cry nim abata ye. Baby and me who are some of your producers, for.
Oh, okay.
It's no.
Some of your honor who near ma. What the cases are hot door? Hey, Judge, Mama Effe.
Yeah, Jajamano.
Jajamano. There be over starting with new season. Yeah, my uncle retired. Jeffy.
Pacho you.
The very new show, Jeffy.
Pacho you. It's no. A binum with Sisica. Call Massa. We say whisker. Towards woman a dachi. Tino, Sanya, ye were for a cacra. Ye were Gary cacra. Ye were leftover by recacra and a mocha crano. Me say, make a canyon boom.
Not as a woman banana by any day. Cabia said a new house.
Have you about a and yes, cabby brain a day about a
Mama, if you don't know, we have microphone cacana and yes, so I na. What now can we to say about time to be a producers?
Yeah.
A dear Tina Casa.
And one is a wow.
Okay.
Sakodan bedidi. So because school, so be shatare because a bema one and yemia one shano, Tianasem.
It's an economics episode near the Mama time.
Yes.
Because I Busumi Mother's Day.
Yes, I Mother's Day. Na Busumi me nina. Ye general mother.
Yes.
Eninti me pese me ma batan hu se enne enwumre why a morning stew na enam kra wo de ye no enkwada na dibi e kira na pa wo kasa woni akwada bi ho a na wundi ene giske wudu ha na wato aduane na adekọ it's not the best
na se mo no ana pese na kan so fridge mo
e sha fridge mo e bi kra tugu ebi kra fi se mo ade ache so se dia na yi ne pempen so adu no aduane ade ache so anya papa ma
ye na munyini en de ehua ense ye ubedi
no watu agu bayre no watu agu pa ne nyina ade ache so a eye aduane obetimi akeka si animu enkwada no kra enhunu se eye no ade na omudi ye
na se ne de pamsen sen ana sentu ayi ensasawa aduane na wo beye wa ha
denti a me ye asasa we ne se enkwada sra wo obatan no wasem sra omunyini kwa animu no na omo ka no eye kese nti ne se wo masusu a this the time also sieska nti wo nya kesesem obatan ni leftover
nti na leftovers ne be rebrand
no ye be kekese animu
ye be rebrand nti mama we bending
we no
because
emo no bini froye ni bini bayra yedi ye made eche ye na ebini enna no pe ye de enyumre ye de sija so ya wo ne fine gari de eno de ense ya amfo nti eye gari me vegetables wo ha
ko hwe fridge no wanya bibi
menya carrots wo ha menya jenne menya green pepper menya tomato enna menya we nti no we meti bayra no meti etwitwa ne kakra na mas me de aye your friend is saying yam balls and one is say me di kosia kakra vegetables kakra befra na me di aye yam balls and we met me di aye fried rice
ball
met me di aye fried met me di aye fried rice still e bi ho still na and edidi ye but a bit me about time bit me toss na ye jollof fry sometimes me catch and crop for say we call restaurant within 5 minutes 10 minutes na ye do aduane besi o aduane nkofo de omi ade unim da ye no amon hye ho
enra
unim ya chichire portion e hye ho ti oyi ya de hye microwave no wa ye kodu fie na yiri so ye be ma na yiri nya aduane a na wadi ane che na wadi ane che so enne ye ma aduane nche
ye ma ne nche more of yankase aduane e hye fridge
cause nkwada no free school beba na abre inti no when didn't tell na nani kom obey ne homework also hwe TV kakra
ma me no be kwa adwuma oso ba wabre
papa beba na wabre inti wo we kakra for ye si ho a
no ne se
wa na oyeye
mama na se ube mama ye yambo
me yambo
no I mixed
jollof with vegetables
and na gari no ebe hu
gari photo
Kamaka sana mama ya miki mo
me gari photo sisi full meal na yeyo inti me gari photo na je say akoda na no di rice and stew with the yam and stew but I no pay what say pampan na
ya de
foforo.
This is Mama Effe, the economical motivational mother because me can so a speaker Mama Effe in some way do we are still if fear wa masum we are bem solution or their man crofo no say and this is another way of solving the home economics.
Yeah.
Mama, what I say?
No.
Intene yen shase, you be kon say.
You be kon say you bidding kind na ye jollof rice no.
That means you say all the vegetables be called jollof.
Jollof kakra. Me di kakra be ye we no. Vegetables say yamma enipa idua no. Yamma enkwada no. Eboa won pa.
Ene na ye be twitwa vegetable men kata so ana.
Ampa kata so.
Nanka
na men
twitwa vegetable. Ebusuafo strategy Mama Effe e de amayen. Strategy me gidi say u fridge no anya bia leftovers room. Me very sure. Leftovers na bi ni den. Wakoto carrot na asa na aka ba ko hye ho. Now say no so aya na sometimes hu ni on fanje. Watwa with green pepper mu na aka half bi hye Jenny half na shontosi half. Ne sa niema no eno na ye ba be keka bomu yi e de ayewe mama metumi kura ma greating ho anwan ni bio
I me be ye ayina me be ye yambos na magic great
yeah great no you way is for the jollof
I was say vegetables we di mo na utumi ekeka
kakra so fam
any say eye memremre ben ma bi ba me show no so say na yiri de bi aduane o de be ma na aduane a efifi wo fridge Inti manti ase na mse efifi of ayo tumi ye nkwan hye fridge na nsa ne nanan nti osini makoni nyina efifi me hwe nanim na masre
nkwan na ya blending toast makoni ade egum nya
sa a che nti opese wo ka biribi ma yehu but you know o ba sa utumi plastic bowls egu shop no egu for a purpose we aduane no wacheche na wo de ahyem hwe traffic e wo krom hwe ye ho kire ye and
enkola be musu
a wonne wo ho
tepi mama
ne ombe kana de be ye adwuma nti e wo se wan kasa sankola nso me hurry up na wachiro omso me smart na wachiro mso so ye hurry up
ale party no na French we can say ale party na me fe wan kasa wa bra bono story but yen kan wi nti na yen bia chapter ne bi he fa na wo free Enfa na ko school e di wiye
me ankasa me fanti
and the interviewer is being interviewed
me fantini me 100% by a woman come say said obi ko wona ba wa abreche wo so a citizen no
Canadians
me so me ya asantini but ade ba ko say me mama oda so ti ase she's over 90 but in a lifetime in I fear wo fia o man ka asante
we kan fanti
wo se wo ko school a wo be ka asante nti no wo fie dia wo nka asante nti ema meti fanti kasa ne pa
awala every fanti krobendo
me free abra
abrodun kwa
debi abra na it's a traditional area abrodun kwa abra bakampa abra sebu and me free abra bakampa e ho na ye traditional head no
okay
me come na first technical school in Ghana wo.
Oh, okay.
Aswansi technical.
Oh, okay. Mama Effe your address. Eti mama uko school we he.
Me start school Ewo Kumasi.
What's na Kumasi school bang?
Mr. T school.
Area bang.
Uforikrom near Wome.
Okay.
Uforikrom, Brono be a friend Accra town. And then the genesis of the Accra town here.
Next, we me and penny to
For now, and a green pepper,
kakra.
And Quadano, I ya now mom pep veg be more shemmy and more messisuano. So what you chana casia own deep. Into Chuchan and Kitswa. Said a bear a befra and mono. Any stew no. Now it's to me, Eddie.
In the Accra town girl.
Accra town, the funny thing is, a honey Oforikrum constituency, Oforikrum anka, one Oforifono, almost free. Na my husband, Papa, which me, I don't know, me me Betty, ne Papa ne first gun, we see die Oforikrum.
First Accra man.
Accra man, we see die Oforikrum. No, a goldsmith. Into normal for Accra man's town.
Inti uwie secondary school when second university
the university me kuna mama call school of mines na
my friend ni kuni obi anya bisa urade
ono me wie Kumasi Polytechnic but they call mines no na edwuma esese me ye no me handle explosive they blaster no ti na wo se misua de kakra se they ti handle explosive
okay na ma de course
school of mines otaka
Mama Effe Honjorodo. Say we say nya botre akasa. How many years you know our mama?
Your first one, or 40. Me who na 81.
I think that I'm over 4 years.
When now he was my secret boyfriend.
Wow.
Yeah.
81 till now still pending.
Yeah. She's still my boyfriend.
Oh, not my husband yet. Okay. And when the ceremony is due, please invite me. I'll be there. I was there for Mama Effe of multimedia. Inshira, from love to Inshira. Na why Inshira we bring
to
Adom. Love Inshira and Adom. In the Korean woman at me, yes, won't ye qua nafe Mr. Nine, ye pamo a duaneno, ye pamo duania, kakranka boom, I mean your full meal, yanko, na yanko suya, a dear kakran. And to Mama, my way, dear, but who's my boy who are catching up, Annie. This is for the young.
Okay. Tip me pouch or so your bad time. Leftover by rain when you know dear, a dear chin, a biaka. Now be to me, dear, near bebre, said a be a wound with Sisica. Now, sometimes me conquer for fee, na be kuta de 2 bin, monabe call not by ra, a dear chiso, and I by racing, and now more, even a more secret go bollum cran I have.
Miss because I can renovate more.
Now, fried rice, I yet to know who is there. Near and 1 way and as I know to go.
There be there.
Into no, and say a way Sisica. Because we are bad time.
Just I was have leftover CD and never one crop for pa.
And this all who is Sisica would make high miss off my mere missions I dear free no. Because I have fried rice at a day, or say if you're the Didi. I did we are. Na ma chiro kwan me fa so ye. Me di nyina me say mama chire me o so de didi we. Me we no say e mo na me no aye no. Me mpe rice cooker momo. Inti me no no silver mo another the same one. Ase na nam di nsuo gum. Na eyi a na ma hwie egu strainer na ma sone so. Na dey some dey kitchen na awo. Ti awo a na me dey fried rice. Eno ene me kunu ade aye pen.
Hey! And then you want my trick, because I am so one shiny. I was an audience. You go, I was a year. I
bet time is by 3.
Who's a said 2 crowd?
No, no, make us say, a more time 3. Until she go out, what she's cargo.
I'm pow.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama Effe. Now, what was so I heard you near to this way?
And so, who will you know no matter to end with the entire
wow. I want to hear nah, yeah, the onion man, my chasa vegetables now, then the stew, no stew before her.
kakra mehwe say ye de be from vegetables no bia from
kakra bi be kwa ho
pacho me madwin no we
imagine I think that me obata keto bi wa me fridge oh me sakura ko shim
kakra
tina o so ro nsa no
ai nti kakra bi se de be ya
bayra no be
feel
ye be say fry ni mu
ai fa shim
ene mpacho nti e be mix bibia wo ha na ya bɔ no preko
ansa na ye de akoshim
on
say the eye smooth
ampa
ti wo twiko no na yes smooth sa
Mama Effe na wo ka say oba panyi ewo almost 40
oko
40 na chese omu ye dodo wasen
we are 3 no 2 girls and a boy
2 Mama Effe into ubu afu da otentem
oh yeah mbufu
ubu ma bu funa ke
yes kura no bufu ye wo ba ka me
mi hu baby ameka because okasa asi atro any time o say
nana near ten say abrabo you have just one life to live inti no u siswa na wa pa bibi ebe ma wani age bibi ebe ma wa koma ato woyem me kai say ya ware ye minka say me kunu be ware because o pay me mampene anka untu ware me
ampa
ya ware ye no na oye national service ti no chira de Prempeh college ti na wo say me kotena Prempeh college campus and
there is student befra
pacho me ba me de kusua
okay
ebe kusua na afra na kusua na ne etie ne se wo kusua na pacho ma me bo ba akon wo beyi white one no efrim na wo de yoke no afra wo de afra yam no ana se bayre no se de be ya ebechi na ye wie na ye kotia na ye de white no afa ho se de be ya wo chi ana se wo beki a entity
okay and some mama ko so mienu
ane me de ni nyina be fra inti me bufu a me kuni bufu a na nani kum bebi owo bi obeda sesi a inti me so bibi ba na me bufu a na me tonyom
daddy bufu a na nani kum
yeah
nka me pe no bi ni bufu a na nani kum
yeah
wo so bufu a na atonyom and a blessed assurance
Jesus is
mama jaya befa
Jesus is mine.
Wow.
Let's just say one day upon lectures all banokuta organ ti ode organ be see ho ti say bibi bana me bufu a na me sha ase etonyum Jesus meji funia yonko
na daddy organ or the other
no akotena organ achi ma dwin na daudu adzinyina momedano
na just what the body
wara shishe nachi maso no the body mechi to hear the second verse
and that bia yes say obeso obufu kaka na anyum to na pie mu
and I hear ya brabo anytime we obebe fie bia behu organ ewo ho because one nya bibi ama at my age 65 you kasa wo hwe me pressure akosoro aye 140 nana
ye
se de be ya enkoda omo pade ehwem omo pade ede enti yen stew leftover na ewo ho no iti kakra na me de afra vegetables na me de ahihye mfimfin na yesenya afi na obebi sese enam we ana sauce we ana bibia wo all inclusive
ti bidi me say to me me nya fa ne sei
we no so ade ba akon e wo yambo so bo na kese a enye de wo ka eni sa wo di bi
eto ho ana waya wachemu mienu bia
wachemu mienu ana asa
nti ebo ne sei no edi be rem wa
di be rem at
mama me small me wi anu maka atua na nya sa me pa cho me
manenya se kusua no ma kusua nya round kusua ye over shape we say na wa buy mfimfin
Me fa se camera na yes e chaka.
Fonsa.
Sa.
Aye.
Come mouse was food.
Okay.
So that. Ti ye dini say ya. Na say. Wo de o veggies na o stew ni kakra no. Ashim.
Okay.
Na fe ye dini sa make sure so be sili on say me afa na mi so adwuma.
Mpacho ne sili ne hia pa anya sa wo kasa wo chi a ebe pa emu be pa.
We de be fortunate de anchi ye de sha ayi mu.
Yeah.
Air fry. Wow. Mama, finally.
Yeah.
Enie.
Yenya
Yam balls. And egg white in the sunny. It's pacho. May so me air frying.
Okay.
Me fan to say we be shembe saying.
Me fan about 10 minutes.
10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes.
Me pese be shi
bi. Na air frying we ma hodo. Kase pa ni.
Endorse.
Enti na mafa we. We cross ne ketwa wa na hwe. Show of kakraka ho enti na mafa ne me am to.
Okay.
Enti ketwa na betum dia sha.
Okay.
Na kase so sha.
Okay.
But me trust say another style.
Okay.
Another design. Ti maso.
Mpacho.
Ti en fa ho ne en fa me she.
Mpacho ane.
Okay. In the meantime, I mean na anhye.
Inti obatan. Kosua ba ko na yeyi emu yoke no. Na ye de fra we no. Ti eno ane se wo de white one no fa ho. Na so pesa wo chi o. Nia wo pesa wo ye ne bia eye wo na wo be ye. Wo de fa ho. Na kire se wo de atutum.
Leftovers na ye no. Ye kire se ya swage no.
Yeah.
Ya swage leftovers. We ye wie ya say jollof no, say gari photo. Ye ni na bom e wo jan ho wa sa.
Inti na onim say obi besra no ba na wa ye say aduane e den na obehu say leftovers.
Ohun da.
Ohun.
Na sa wo be di bi nkwa de a. Onu so timi di bi.
Yeah. Inti na waste aduane na save sika. Na sa wo mba susu a wasam susu a. Omo nyini a e na ahun say
e ka ho.
Yes.
Tene mama me di shem.
Pacho yo.
Me di shem e fry ni mu.
Pacho yo.
Medical so that no mama na 10 minutes no.
Pacho.
10 minutes ni so na yanya ya e be ko yanim.
Pacho.
So you do here there. Say na we so be ko fried rice ni mo say jollof ni.
Ebe bibi. Yen waste aduane.
Ebusafo me de me frying pan ahodo mienu e sija na so. Na me maame abaye ne mixing no.
Emo no. Ne enra ye di ye no. Ne ka ye ni o. Ya nhwe ngu, ye titi ne fine, ya preserve no fine. Ti ye be kitchen. Fro ye no so de ka enra no. Ade ache so eno ni. Okay. Ye mpese bibia be waste e wo ye fie.
Good.
Inti no yes some se de be yankwada no. Gari photo ehia stew bebre. Ehia stew bebre. Na fe yako ye men
fried rice.
Eno nkwada no edi rice and stew. Emo ni bi kae ye titi hye ho. Kwada no kro omo nim se maame we titi ahye ho. Omo nim se ye titi ahye ho dada. Wo na ye homemaker. Ti de bia no e wo se wo ye smart. Na ema wo ba nkyere wo se we na we duane we na mpe. Wankasa fa wo ho adwene. Veg ehia pa e wo
Ebi ma ha ho.
Ebi ma.
Gari photo no.
Ai. Anemfa kakra ho. Jene ni bi ho metwitwa.
Sa. Okay.
Eye we cry ye dum ne mame. Gari photo na ye no.
Nti sabre no ye duane no gari no be ha de a na se ye nkọ ha kra bi o.
Pacho mame atere na mfentite memo no. Atere we. Ye de we be ka veg. Ai. Faka we ho. Inti mpacho stew no ya ye ndada ye ne nra e na ebi aka.
I like that.
E na ye de so ade so aya ade. Se de be ya ye betumi asebu sika. Eno nti wo mfensi so nche ne tese ne a wo ye na asese popro no. Ti emo ni na mpacho so mame. Ai.
Mama Effe ye ade ide wo yenko wadwuma ho kakra.
Medwuma na.
Wadwuma ye fe. Na mibisa o how confirm me, mama, how many years no what's not TV and radios?
28 years.
28. Now when I don't call radio, I need to
1997. And then school na enkwada ne kɔ no ɛwɔ bogoso mines no abrɔfo no ɔmo ne abrɔfo nkwada nyinaa na kɔ school baako eduru baabi na yɛsɛ abrɔfo ne contract wo no ɔkɔ a na ɔde ne ba ne kɔ
okay
nti no ɔmo decide sɛ abrɔfo ne ma no ɛnkɔ school wɔ Ghana bi nti ɔmo yi ɔmo na fe school no asɛ ɛkɔ fam nti me ne me kunu adwene ho sɛ ɔsɛ yɛpɛ good education man kwada no nti me na me yɛ ɔbaa ɛna me resign yɛ na yɛsɛ me ba Kumasi sɛ bɛ yɛ nkwada no benya good education ɛna me ba yɛ nti me ba yɛ no me bedu ya na ma register me kunu register me for Bible school bi nti me call lectures na ma kɔfa me ma na me yɛ
so say abatan de yɛ ka hwɛ ogya no so
yɛ ka hwɛ ogya no so sɛ de bɛ yɛ ye wie na ye kyɛ na ye nya bi ani kura ya me dada
into resign
me resign ye me boss was Scottish want ase ade na me resign ade me kun because na me nkwane oba me handle explosive between blast it be 1,000 pieces it be 2,000 detonators
blast say mama wo kwa assassinate me
asa yangwa asase this is a modern one cables it said the Google for my
na kwa assassinate
yeah and share nkwa say you plenty e ni sha no
say wo say your perception is say
yes ye wo eduro bi ayere duro entisa ene technology aba ebi yo ho a eye wachiche bi a 15 meters ebi a 10 meters ebi a it depends on ne tenten no nti ye de hyehyehye ho sa na anu ne gina ho ne nyina tuduro wo na explosion na hye cable na no nti wo say driver take care mo aye alert nti wo blast wie ya na driver na tu nti because ewa 15 meters nti wo be free site wo ansa na dey na start say plastics no it
me nya dia na me nkoso
oh di na my report no me baby so by or taste nti ye wi ana ma no so aka bi ahwe
me ma no mama me ma no because we are surplus and I can my renew no
okay it's almost done nti yenye gari photon nti me ba ya
anyway ye be sun chen
ye de be sun chen ye de sun chen ma me nto se ne kakra
ene gari photon so me fa de mbra okay
bo no mbra
mama bo ni
me talk wa ICGC and then software wo ho ka kire me say Joy FM me pick gari no
gari no ha ajenkwa
Joy FM okay na mama fa boye Joy FM station baby station for Kumasi your friend love
it
and pensio
asamu awoka
yeah
o ma talk we no
ma talk na sofo no your friend sofo pastor Frank Opoku Amako
okay
waka chem so Joy FM
that's a 28 years FM na okay
yeah baby sister station wa ha inti no said the Messi akasa manani age no obe recommend me okay obe recommend me and that was the genesis of my case
no recommended one
yeah
na kontra console nani
inti me first
obetumi aka dey happy wo dwuma mu a wa akra odru fie ye osrea first day or first week or first month within that time
my first program near friend aware mu nkomo and mami penimu na ye kan about sex and marriage
okay
and mami penimu bi 70 years wo frɛ yo se me ba on air na me se mami wo se wo papa me so no kura na ho de na amasa sisi amenyi wo papa de tata me enam bisa se na ma wo sen wo se menya mfie dioso enam se ma me finish hard wo se no so ne de finish hard because the drone one nya young girl bi ebegina boso a
be kokra oma
wo kwa on mebiem wo se ene agi so oba na abekire mu na finish hard the drone minim baby ayeto no you know and Maame ne bɛyɛ me maame akosi sɛ Awurade frɛ no.
Okay.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah.
And what make our worst experience on radio?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I was on air.
Mm-hmm.
So talk pa. And then Yampola Emma information in our ba air no. A buto obi the next house ye studio ni nia the next house a buto so
Satana mo amekom
near wa mekom na ye Love FM na insure my and na abo 12 anajo
asa wari mu komo de
anajo until me do fie no na kobo 2 a.m. and another time so ewie bi one of my guys in a kofa obi mane be show and sani atwede no and atwede no eyi no and wo prayer tina
tamodi en kasam
ho akodim yes na wo se me hwe no baby ameti kwan wo pa Accra road amache 5 na me wo emergency said e be ya me kwa paper ne ho but e ready adom almost share ne fine man me ma oti apo
bibia you okay
yeah
Abusia McBrown's kitchen and mama ma ke yen o ekwan na me fa so me di maduan me sra o me ma me na aba na me ne ma hihye fridge mo okeka bom ma me pa cho pi pa na me hwe me air fryer yi mu niema ay come
eba
pa manembra kakra nice one ausafo na eba no nse no do ba kakra we ya bo so wadane no sa na ye wie enti sabre ye betwan ho aba na ye ba nkomo kakra wo ho ye de asoso me ne Mama Effe o Mama Effe ene enu aduane ye ba sisia
Tomato mix. Wouldn't so one pa say loud with tomato flavor no.
Tasty Tom tomato mix. Ofa kakra. Na ye bebre. Kakra yan kwani stew dodwa ope.
No color changing like traffic light. Debia koko kama.
Tasty Tom dear, it will surely give you value for money. Me a chef, I know what I'm talking about. Because Tasty Tom tomato mix is thick and little is enough to get our desired quantity of stew and soup. Pepe. Eka hunamieni.
Tasty Tom ama menya chepa. Presenya enino aye fefe. Taste no so dear. On point. Flavor new.
And it doesn't color your meat or chicken. Cry.
Tasty Tom tomato mix into. Me handwriting and sada. It's customers bar never.
I don't compromise on the quality of my food. Me top papano at once. Use Tasty Tom enriched tomato mix. This advert is FDA approved.
Martin. Martin with my omba. Papa tofum. Na me so be here scan. Na only scan we here. Mama me susie nyina aka metum sa. Ma we so fa so na be no. Sike fia me tua ne busu me bia no. E so fa so no no. Me frɛ o ma pɛ. E no mo ba me moa. Ene se obi abo ma ba so yi. Me didi na ye na mfa so.
Aya kai say abrebia obey my way insurance no. O de obusu ani mapa baako ebe hye so. Me kyerɛ sɛ ofiri mu nko ade a ye be call mo a. Na wa na wo ye my way insurance no de. Ye be call mo a abra wo ko yade krankro. Yade anankwanhia abubu agu a wo ye wo ho hwea enye. Impo wakoda yare sabia ebro na mienu. Se wadi 18 ekopin 59 a wo apomudin a wo betumi abeka my way abusia na ho. Fa phone ne dial *165# ewo MTN so se sia. Sanye my way a ka se no way. Dead spices. Taste day inside. But dead spices here what Jenny say. Nanya good taste. If we say yeah the natural spices and yeah organa hey yao. Annie, you want all purpose, stew, noodles, curry and nutmeg and a jollof. Dead spices. Taste yummy. Taste lemon. Dead spices. Taste day inside. FDIG a jedi in kratoya too.
Nice wig. It's my hair.
Wow.
I love your wig. It's my hair.
Wow.
MiPROMO. Eye onu ankasa ni hair. Wow. Try the new BO16 No Lie Hair Relaxer and thank me later.
Easy to use in just a 3-step process. It's so easy on the scalp and contains shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil for healthy hair and scalp.
Now that's wow.
New BO16 No Lie 3-in-1 Hair Relaxer straightens, strengthens, and protects. BO16 Express yourself.
The GC brand. It's all about you. This advert is FDA approved.
McBrown's Kitchen, again,
McBrown's Kitchen was for Adiane Pa Ede. And net me say Busumia Yedi Mother's Day. This edition we dedicate it to all mothers. A man na yedi jumedie ema. Titru ye mame Mama Effe. Inti de beka ne say nyaminstra. Na mum mesro so bebe me kakra.
Okay.
Me jumedie me die maboafo.
Okay.
Eye high sense. Na high sense me ma rice cooker.
Okay.
Na ufana odrufi anu say McBrown's Kitchen. Yeah, appreciate you.
Okay.
Me dase. I dead spices. Dead spices no. Minim say we are very particular about the udi pa. Inti me so so me dead we hwe. Ne obi pe bia what the one answer the amano. Eh very natural.
Okay.
Inti me so. We dey eh me manwa eh bonus. Anema ni nyina me de we beto so ama.
Okay.
Na me free ana me ko tasty tom. Tasty Tom and Red Tomato Mix and Jollof Mix a woman. Sarah and Gandu Cosmetics. Also, I say, me fan your menina and mount. And your main semana deodorant, some lady jarry shower gel near the Ninian every womb. The Darcy. So about McBrown's Kitchen. Saturday, me kind of baby did. Now, so people can be a way. Mama, me pass some pan, come in my sister number.
Mr. Better Hatchet.
Ampa, you consider. I was here for Mama Effe who are dumb. Ocean the programs I wouldn't even say. And your number break can home. And the programs no, Eddie, Yenina, Yenya Bishe. Internet, I dread the honest one on Quanamedi, and on Quanamra. Debbie. Or say, said you did be quiet, you man, and on no quiet, you man. And the near do so a day, or no bedi into the Nashi. You better say, come in, man, dear, but maybe. Lady Reverend Oche Doctor ready. And then you come to me mouth. Oh super bedi. Lady Reverend Doctor Oche Bafuo. Aye. Inti naima for one of a brand na oba na one so ania. Me no benya issue.
I do ka so mama.
Me oh me ma.
We dey ka say oh mama.
O de me ma o de ye. Na ne wa be dey bomb 5 seconds my. Nemfa duane no nkogu.
Erade da wase. So let's ho adminity. Amen.
Amen. Mama wase. Enche. Aha, enti no, abusuafo. Men my media ready no what you say. Mama.
Enti India no.
Hey, na sister.
Some hweja ma me kwana na me dey di.
Stop mama. Didi.
That's.
Doctor.
God bless you. Bless you.
Doctor.
Yes.
Miss Didi. Afa me pam cho mo hwa na mama me iron back wate. Na me nya doctor papa. Mama Effe Mother's Day present ne go no. Inti mama ahwe enye fine. Me ma also Mother's Day present wate.
Me das.
Oh. Hey. That's a meat pie.
I am moton.
Mama I didn't do wow.
I didn't know. Gary Potton's video.
Ibi. Wow.
I want do. Afra. Doctor, from mommy. Reverend.
No, didn't understand.
So, no, why smart? Where you be and come a pen?
Na no take up you did not go see.
Hey, sister.
Why sweet?
I don't know what any nana say we need.
When I know you do you got a message.
Oh, what a memory. That's a memo. I am.
Wow.
And it's just a young, you know, now.
So we a nice person.
I had no one. I'm
I know one now. Passa we a baby, but I don't cry na a baby.
What does it?
I grow.
I'm on your medio.
Oh, come on.
Mama Effe. A dear in our country, I for. As a mother, say what was so way. Yedi Mother's Day. Umpire and our wish for our four.
Medasi nana. Ni ameka ene se enye obi a wanyin sen awo nkwa na oye na. Ebi nwoda. Na so qualities e woni mo no. Wo che obi a wanyin sen awo ahiansa. Inti no said ya wotie biara no. Hu se wo ye potential mother. So wonya enyin sen bi nwo ya wo ye potential mother. Akwada bi wo baby no betimi aboa na. Wo boa na wo ye na enasu e wo mu. Afi mu so a mawo a Maya mo ho se mo ye producers no. Misraw producer bia produce product a ope marketer na waton ama no enya so mfaso.
Brand new product.
Inti misraw enye me de be ma jonso na me botra na manyem anasa me de me yefunu ye mre. Awo ene se wawo ba no na wama ne fapem. Na daachi wo hwe ne ma ne sififi a no nso ahwe wo de na etutu. Yamfa wo entwampoa enye bida wo ka tro konkron a Genesis chapter 4:1 ho no o se na Adam hunu na yire na onyinsen na owo obabeni na oka se Ewurade adaworoma wa mame obabeni so adaworoma ena ma oba anyem adaworoma ena ma oba wo nti se wawo na obi nwo ya wo nchen no emma eya hoho ewa awarem emma eya hoho ye mfie inti se wantete obayi a esu a wo se wusumra osu no wunyi a akoda ne nyi a ebeya asudie ada wo so na nano wo beso fenfen so this Mother's Day ye napa na wo ma enya mapa na omo soso mehwe odache na me da se
Amen. Mama Effe, you're a legend. Mama Effe, our mama trade will be pa. To talk of someone who couldn't worry over 40 years.
There be a nyandu 40.
Yatsna over penny also broke 40 or 40.
So
or 40. Until then, I've catched that dear numerator. For all these years, you know him.
Nameka say he's my best friend, he's my CEO, and my counselor because sometimes I do baby abraboma and I'm person me wo so me ho. Especially Juma me ya ne ade. Say basa obi sitimia. Person me wo so me ho. But Rebecca say jai. Enya hwe manenko. And then me kofa obi o street so. I was say a sponsor in school and adwuma sua. Oh, no aboa me. Na me de na koye wo ma uti obia okumase na ode amana na ye say ye na ehwe no na ye de edin aka na ya hwe no so he's my counselor and my best friend.
Best friend. Yeah. And they say, I see a man retired there. But I go home, daddy. Daddy,
Minya sisi no na me 5 years kan. But wait here, I think so we hear me time kakra.
Daddy here on time. Said daddy what time we on here on time. Daddy, yeah, my own retire. Until no sa you know who be why.
Okay, Mate.
I crofo here. Already there was a sankrofo bebre abrabo. It's a chinkrofo solve a lot of issues. Yeah. And the American say already won shrub. So for mommy, what to me dear Diana mammy I abra win shrana. The slow shrama mammy Hannah. If you are upon.
Mama Effe de in fact nana. I know what I can't be. Na debia me dia to makoma so. O say so pe say onye ne che. Na abrabo no nhira ye bibra. Proverbs 2:10.
Proverbs 2:10.
Say nim die bata wakoma ho. Na se nyansa eso wo krani. Wadwempa ebehwe wo so. Na nim die abo ho bai. This is the words she gave me when I met her.
Proverbs 2:10.
We read it down now to 12 now. The more I do, now it's my weapon now.
Okay.
Say dear neighbor, when you dream pie, you are saying.
Yes.
Now, dear Balcon so saying, or say something how garbage in, garbage out.
Yeah.
Mama tells no, yeah, no,
Garbage in,
garbage in, and somebody by in.
If I have free have a
talk, now for
no free have no call.
because so Jenny, Jenny Paddy, ya one share, won't me my Proverbs 2:10 in
Juma.
So these two things are major in her life. What in Yamia 7 years in any so. Now 1 90 with humility. Now what they are saying we are here, Jumano. Me want to say it has really glow and grow hair.
What's a brothel? You speak good English, you know that. We are a teacher.
Pretty brothel so.
Kai!
What is it?
Who walk up brothel?
Mama Denya.
Mama, why is she so man?
Nana, you're so
Mama,
nice.
Nyamishra, what
is? Mama be brave.
Mama, Nyamishra. Me name so our last word. A bear sido, a bear futu, a bear cranshow. Ubetum dia to an affair, ya can bye.
Near American say me that was say. Say any baby and I walk Kumasi. Nan so yeah, Mama, my book Kumasi, bra, never ye diane.
One pupu tea,
a man pupu miti. Now catch us an aminam crew. As we catch up a pair or say any, what are you show ya? Ye dear cock. Young company a young cock. And me catch us a meme by ye bibia, a ye and feeding Cassian. And Mr. Diana war. Because near one and a double amount. Yes, you crack cabby.
Mama Effe. Number 1.
I have a man on a sausage.
Amano. Amane.
Yay.
Abaya.
Yay.
Perfect.
Yay.
Nyamishra.
Yay. Yes,
you are 60
from Queen Eleanor the First.
Nation's Queen.
Queen Eleanor the First, aka Nation's Queen. And they say,
what is it?
Hey, my wrong mama, me teach your mouth. Me to do couldn't count one. Me to do couldn't come here and a week. Hey, Queen Eleanor. And my wedding trasa.
Oh, manitra.
Hey, my manitra.
You are one of the princes. What does it?
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Danny, Mama, come here. Yeah. It's a man position. One of the princes.
Yeah.
Nice one. I was here for McBrown's kitchen at the Anepa day. Mrs. season where a motivational season, a inspirational season. Me tuka no de nenam, me pia santememu. And nemne etitiriwa, watu won si ho, eye bibi. Ade aboa, I mean the whole community, the society, the whole region and beyond, the whole Ghana. Mama Effe, as I'm celebrating her, I wish her good life.
Amen.
Long life.
Amen.
Mama, Radimo Skabebre.
Amen.
Abra wa retire crown or say Radimo Skamo.
Yeah.
Na award the dear. And tell her, said, oh, can also save my ma. In the end, town and crown and one and woody. Name Radimir Quan a full from Fabinia Day. And me good. Not Danny Dana, who fear your phone. Radin Shroud. Amen. Tawas. I pay Dinina. So for my Mr. Didi. Oh, so bolo did him do but to quite. So bolo did him, mammy. We do but to quite.
And I say, come on.
Means uncle, when
I win the
concert. Now here's a folk man over here now. Then I will be a sorry no. And now what that night? You promote your home.
Yeah, dear no. Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
I'm in a church. Yeah, mere Jumano. I find in na.
Okay.
But we doing what mommy is doing. Anything and you made me.
A better home.
What I say.
Princess.
Yes, dear. Princess.
My own
Princess 1.
Debbie, only in the book of you to the one
princess. You are one of the princes.
I am one of them. I was here for me the winning I say, a bride did you made the air query. My fast dama high sense. Tasty Tom and red tomato mix. Tasty Tom jollof mix. Dead dough spices, said the macano. Dead dough edimeko abekaho. Your dead dough and nutmeg and curry. Dead dough all peppers. Dead dough stew. Dead dough jollof. Dead dough noodles. Into me throw pepper and abekao dear. And I say, I will pay your pa. Me come for a dear mom. Send my way. Kase no way. My way insurance. And the phone so. A control your phone so. etua boso me bia according to said me income ema me ho kwan ema me di tua me kan for the amount dial *165#. Never beka ebusua kasiem the GC brand there. Wa unim you can the GC brand can do cosmetics and it's all about you. Everything GC brand does is about the human being. It's about our skin, our hair, our hands, our cleanliness, everything. Mama Effe akonobiano GC brand ewo edemayem. Me da wase se na so wahwe McBrown's kitchen amam. Kai se okodwoma abeto me oil bi amam why Mr. Humobo. McBrown's sunflower oil Kumasia Abishop Tombi saa na menua bi so otonjiwes we dum ho me yire no amane bi me de number no etudwa yenji momo yenyeska sem ewo fon so no bi adaada me da se bebre wantumi ahwedwumadie ya yewo social media YouTube ko na hwene nyina said the surplus eniema yenka ye bia nke beto bia guo ana ye hu ana ye be say repeat format na edidi no so buy yire ho now still obedin the same thing no garnish no fafra ye young boss na fa man kra no fa dada wo mu kakra fa pampa wo mu de onye no homework no onya bidi na sa next time wo ye obakwa ye homework ne quick roba be gibiedi me da munyi na ase. Happy Mother's Day or belated Mother's Day. But since we are still in the month of May, we keep celebrating ourselves. A radio show baby Madam was ye be channel chensene makramo. Hey, ansana me kono. Hollanders and to man shemye. Me pa cho berima and ye me makeup yi. Esa share me wig ka ho. Into we di enka me yes si wo mu. Into ha any of DBC any channel chensene. Me da se. Brim.
McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen, bring us so. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen, again the pedo. McBrown's kitchen.